All right, so let us talk about what's called the triangle inequality theorem. So give me a chance to share this board here. Any two sides of a triangle added together must be greater than the third side, okay? All right, so, okay, and let me draw a triangle here just for the purpose of illustration. So basically, and let's label these A, B, and C. All right, so, and this is important to go all the way through with this. Any two sides of a triangle added together must be greater than the third side, okay? All right, so that means if you add A and B together, it has to be greater than C. Sorry, gnat flying in my face. If you add B and C together, they had to be greater than A. Finally, if you add A and C together, they have to be greater than B, okay? Very straightforward. All right, so let's look at this in a practical example. So say, for example, you have these sides here. Okay, so let's say that you have one side is equal to 7, another side is equal to 5, and another side is equal to 4. All right, so let's check this out. So again, any two sides added together has to be greater than the third side. So you literally have to add all of them, do all three of these steps. So let's do, okay, it's 7 plus 5 greater than 4. 7 plus 5 is 12. And 12 is greater than 4. That's true. All right, next is 5 plus 4 greater than 7. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 is greater than 7. So true. So finally is 4 plus 7 greater than 5. 4 plus 7 is 11, and 11 is greater than 5. True. That's true. Therefore, this can be a triangle. All right, let's do another example. Let's try 3, 6, and 2. All right, so let's go. Is 3 plus 6 greater than 2? 9, that's 9, so and 9 is greater than 2. True. Is 6 plus 2 greater than 3? 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 is greater than 3. True. Finally, is 2 plus 3 greater than 6? 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 greater than 6? No, that's false. So because this is false, even though these two are true, this cannot be a triangle. Okay? All right. Now, what if they give you two sides of the triangle and then they ask you the range of the possible measures for that third side? Let's look at that. If any of this you need, just remember you can rewind it, or you can also, I strongly encourage you to subscribe to mathswaptutoring.com and get the notes for these, okay? Because you can take them, print them out, kind of have handy. All right, so say that you are given the side measurements 9 and 5, and they want to know what's the range of possible measures for that third side. Okay, so basically what you want to do is let's just say A equals 9 and then B equals 5, and we want to find the range that C can be. All right, so basically let's plug this stuff in. Okay, so A plus B has to be greater than C. So A is 9, B is 5 plus. So 9 plus 5 has to be greater than C. So that means 9 plus 5 is 14. So C has to be greater than 14. Okay. Now, let's plug it in this next equation. B plus C has to be greater than A. So B is 5 plus C has to be greater than A. I mean, I didn't mean to write A. A is 9. Okay, so let's take 5 from each side. So that means C has to be greater than 4, okay? And then finally, A plus C has to be greater than B. So 9 plus C has to be greater than 5. Subtract 9, subtract 9. C is greater than -4. Can't do that. You can't have a negative side of a triangle. Okay, so scratch that. So now you know that C has to be less than 14 and it has to be greater than 4. So basically your answer is, so C is greater than 4, but then it's less than 14. Okay? That is the range of the possible sides, the possible sizes that triangle can be. So C has to be between 4 and 14. Okay. All right. So hopefully that's straightforward. Again, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube page to get future tips, and also subscribe to mathswaptutoring.com so that you can get our notes. Okay. All right.